Jamaican Olympic champions Elaine Thompson and Omar McLeod continued their good early season form at Saturday's Diamond League in Shanghai, China, the second stop in the 14-meet series.
If anyone doubted that Elaine Thompson was in unbeatable form, those doubts were put to rest in Shanghai. This as the Olympic double sprint champion spread eagle the 100 meters field, which included American Olympic silver medalist Tori Bowie logging a world-leading 10.78 seconds into a slight headwind.
Well, certainly Bowie got away well, and Thompson going very strongly around the inside. Williams going well, but here comes the big guns. Here comes Elaine Thompson running away. Bowie in second place, and Talou in third, 10.78. The burners were put on halfway down, and away she went. Total and utter domination in the sprints at the moment. She is so difficult to beat. Such a powerhouse.
Bowie was beaten by 26 hundredths of a second in 11.04, while Veronica Campbell-Brown was 6th in 11.23 seconds and Christania Williams 8th in 11.33 seconds. In the men's sprint hurdles, Omar Mr. Silk McLeod with 13.09 seconds turned back the challenge of Spain's Orlando Ortega 13.15 seconds.
No problems to start. Well, look at this, and certainly McLeod got to the hurdle first, and Ortega chasing him down here. Parchment going quite nicely as well. Ortega and McLeod, these two, McLeod and McLeod gets it. Ortega in second place, 13.10. It looked pretty smooth to me, and that was into, well, it was plus 0.5 meters per second.
Jamaica's Hansel Parchment, the 2015 world silver medalist, was 4th in 13.35 seconds. Rio finalist Anserd White continues to struggle as he finished 7th in the men's 400-meter hurdles in 50.18 seconds behind American winner Bershawn Jackson with 48.63 seconds. And Novlene Williams-Mills ended 4th in the women's 400 meters in 51.45 seconds behind Bahamian Olympic champion Shawnee Mida-Weebo's 49.77 seconds. Anisha McLaughlin-Wilby was 5th in 51.63 seconds, while Stephanie Ann McPherson was 7th in 51.97 seconds. No Jamaicans took part in the 200 meters, where American Noah Lyles won in 19.90 seconds ahead of another American, LaShawn Merritt, 20.27 seconds. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.